Hello friends, I welcome all of you to joining me on my YouTube channel C. Abhishek Sharma. So today few viewers from the Rajasthan are asking to upload one video regarding that how can we upload the TDS return of newly launched portal Income Tax 2.0. So simple process is very simple. Now one step also reduced by this new portal, that there is a DSC. You can e-verify your TDS return. Earlier we have to attach we have to generate the signatures along with the zip file. Now in this it does not require it. So what we have to do, first of all you have to log in on your income tax portal by filling the user ID for the 10 TDS. For income tax return there is a separate user ID which is PAN number. For TDS I don't know, but for me I or usually give a 10 number of the client. Now after once you log in into the system, that you will show this screen. You will show this screen. In this screen what you have to do, you have to go to the section e-file, income tax forms, file income tax forms. Here you can see one window. Click on file now. Let's get started. And then what type of income tax return do you want to file? Suppose I just want to file 26Q other than salary. Which quarter? Latest, suppose last year quarter. Fetch the detail, regular, attach file. So here what you have to do, you have to generate a few file as we usually do in earlier. Then you have to convert it into the zip file. Okay, and then select and then open. Once this exercise is complete, proceed to verify. Yes, it will ask you that you have a digital signature. Yes, we have a digital signature. The process is same. You have to install the mBridge, because all the applications, all the DSC related applications or income tax portal use mBridge. This process I already explained in my earlier videos related to income tax portal. You can see it. Okay, very simple. Download mBridge and then install it. Convert into the check the status of the mBridge, whether it is running or stop. Then if it is stop, then convert into a running mode. It is already also explained in earlier videos. And then continue, same process. You have to attach your USB in which DSC is stored and then sign. So what is saying that not registered or expired. So first of all we have to register our DSC. So how can we register our DSC? We have to go here, then register. Okay guys, now that how can we register our DSC? So you have to click on the profile section here. Then this window will appear. Then click on high eVault security using the digital signature. It will ask for you to register your digital signature. Click it here. Then this. Okay, now your digital signature is successfully registered. Okay, now again we have to follow same approach. Go to e-file section. Okay, file now. Let's get started. Other than salary, that is fine already. E-verify, yes. Digital signature, yes. Yes. And now your return has been submitted successfully. Okay, So guys, here you can see that we have successfully uploaded the return on the income tax portal. So I hope this is the end of our video. I hope you enjoy this video and my videos helps you to understand the work, to understand the concept for which we are seeing the video. So thank you so much. We will meet again with more interesting video. Thank you so much.